Once the SITRANS LT500 has been successfully configured, we can set up the time to spill function. Under the Setup menu and Application, we can find the Time to Spill menu. The time to spill threshold is the amount of time required for the end user to properly react to an imminent spill condition. In this particular case, the default is 5 minutes. We want to ensure that we set this value so that the customer or end user has enough time to react to a potential spill condition. The level to spill is the point at which a spill will occur at the level measurement as part of the tank or vessel. And the level threshold is a point at which we will not generate a time to spill alarm or diagnostic to avoid any nuisance alarms or erroneous readings. Once those three values have been properly set, time to spill is activated and can then be assigned to a relay or used as part of the industrial field bus.